Can't find the gear shop in Grow a Garden? Here's how to unlock it, where it's located, and what to do if it's not showing. Like and subscribe for more Roblox tips. To find the gear shop, head to the opposite side of the seed store. Run past the event stand in the center of the map. The gear shop is right next to the cosmetic stand and crafting tables. If the gear shop is not showing up, it's likely your first time playing. To fix this, click the Roblox icon in the top corner or press escape on your keyboard. Then hit leave and confirm it. Now join Grow a Garden again. Once you're back in, head to the gear shop location again. It should now appear. Talk to the NPC and select Show me the gear shop to view the available items. Just like the seed store, the gear changes randomly, so check back often. One useful tool to buy is the recall wrench. It lets you teleport to the gear shop. Each wrench gives 5 uses. You can also leave and rejoin a new server to try and get a garden plot closer to the gear shop. This helps you save time and coins. Now you know how to unlock and find the gear shop in Grow a Garden. Like this video if it helped and subscribe for more helpful Roblox guides.